Hey everybody, it's Neon. Check out what I have here. They are going to be cordless electric scissors. So I'll show you guys what it is and what it does here in a second. So this is what they are. Let's open it up. I've used some of these before, so I'm somewhat familiar. Oh yes, it looks like the regular ones. So it comes with a charging cable from USB to USB-C. Not sure what was in there. Oh, an extra little blade piece right here. And then we have the device here and an extra blade there. And the way these work is you'll turn it on. I guess I hold it to turn it on maybe. Oh, there we go. And then look at that, it turns and pulls the box, whatever, through there, so you can cut a box easy. So like if I was to cut this box here, I could just go like this, and then I could just cut it up. So for me, I get millions of boxes here because I'm doing a lot of different reviews and whatnot. So I'm always needing to cut up boxes. So this is gonna give me an easy ability to just whip right through those, super easy. And I can just make boxes or whatever. So it's always good. Definitely something handy to have, especially if you want to like make your own boxes for things. It gives you the ability to open up boxes and cut them into the right size and fold them up. So you can do all sorts of stuff. So these things are great. This one here's rechargeable. It looks like it's got 2 dots of charge left in it. And then I guess I just push the button there. Now it's back off again. So this one's super easy, super simple to use. And it came with an extra little guard piece and an extra blade right here. So if you do lots and lots of it, you can go through a lot. And then it came with a charging cable and the piece here, and it all just goes right into the little box here. So I can put this in my drawer and it'll stay nice and good. And then it looks like it's got the little button here, I guess, to replace the blades and whatnot. So very cool, super awesome. So if you need an electric scissors, these are super handy to have. And nowadays they're just totally, I think everyone's got them now, but these are great. Thumbs up for sure.